Hello beautiful people, welcome again to Terry's Kitchen. On today's recipe I'm going to show you on how to make nut bread in a very simple way. Kindly watch the video to the end so that you won't miss any step. For this recipe I've used 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then you're going to add in some salt to taste. After that you're going to add in some 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of instant yeast. Then you're going to mix all the dry ingredients well. After mixing all the dry ingredients, you'll go in with 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. You're going to mix that until it is crumbly. After that, you're going to add 1/4 cup of plain yogurt or Greek yogurt. Then you're going to give it a good mix. Then you're going to add in warm water gradually and start kneading. There's a part missing of adding warm water, so kindly bear with me. So you're going to start kneading until the dough is smooth. You'll knead the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes until it is soft as shown in the video. After that, you're going to cover it and let it proof for about 1 hour. I really appreciate all your support you're showing me on my videos. Thank you so much, and if you have any recipe you want me to do, kindly let me know in the comment section and I'll do it for you. After 1 hour of proofing, you'll punch the dough. Then you're going to knead it for about 2 minutes before cutting it into small balls. You then cut the dough into 8 equal parts. Then you're going to let them rest for about 5 minutes before rolling them out. You then roll out the dough into a flat circular shape. Then on a heated pan, you're going to place our bread. So the pan should be on medium heat. So you're going to let it pan roast for about 2 minutes. Then you're going to flip it and pan roast the other side for another 2 minutes. So after pan roasting, it will be as shown in the video. After about 5 minutes of pan roasting it, your naan bread will be ready. So you're going to remove it and set it aside. Then you're going to repeat the process of placing the bread on the pan. Then wait for 2 minutes, then flip it and wait for another 2 minutes. Then you're going to flip it again and then return it on the first side. You're going to wait for another 1 minute. After that, you remove from the heat and it will be ready. For the naan spread, you're going to use either margarine or melted butter. Then you're going to add in some fresh coriander leaves, give it a mix. Then after that, you're going to spread the mixture on your naan while they are still hot, as shown in the video. This was my first time trying out naan bread and I'm really happy with the results. So if you follow these steps, I'm sure you'll be happy with the results too. And just like that, you'll have your naan bread ready to be served. Mine turned out so soft and delicious. I served mine with chicken curry and it was a hearty meal. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'm sure you've learned something from this. Don't forget to give me a like, comment and share with others so that they can learn this recipe too. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Until next time, bye. I wish you a happy festive season.